This is Fred Kapp with the Green Industry Web Portal. Okay, here we are in front of a large maple tree in a parking lot island, and the tree more or less has outgrown its space. The roots are getting very large up against the curbstones. They hit the curbstones, they turn down. Eventually, as they increase in diameter, they can push the stones out. In fact, we've got a lot of scale insects on the tree too. Scales are small insects that pull sap out of the tree and weaken the tree. You can actually see the scale bodies all over the trunk of the tree here and on these smaller branches right here. Scale insects are probably the most destructive pest we have of landscape trees and shrubs. These tiny circles here on the branch or on the trunk are actually scale insects that are being farmed by ants that are running up and down the trunk. The ants feed on the scales, they eat the sugar, they pull out of the sap, and the scales of course weaken the tree quite a bit. This red maple tree is in a pretty stressed situation. Even though it's about 15 years old, it hadn't grown very much because it has a very large girdling root system around the tree. In fact, the system is so bad that it completely encircles the trunk and has caused the base of the tree to mushroom over those girdling roots instead of forming proper flares, which means the tree eventually will snap off at this point when the storm comes through.